Eli, what you doing? What you doing, Eli? Huh? You and Holly can play together a little bit now? Hmm? You stay right at my feet. I can't see you. You're right at my foot. Holly's right at you. Right at you. There you are. Holly wants to play. You want to play anymore, Eli? Okay.